Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching us how to join two straps of leather to make a single strap. You can decide to join 2, 3, 4, as long as your leather isn't long enough to make what you have in mind. So now what I'm doing is I'm joining the two strap with right side touching right side. So just place it the same way I'm doing in the video, and once you've done that, you're going to sew it diagonally. So you're going to sew it diagonally. So after you've sewn it diagonally, we're going to cut out the excess because it's of no use. So now I'm sewing it. Make sure you back stitch so to secure the threads. So as you can see, now I'm done sewing. Now I'm cutting out the excess. The same way you sew, just cut it out. So now I'm flattening the leather. So now, if you're making use of a fabric, you make sure you iron that out. You iron it, flatten it. But since we're making use of a leather, you're going to apply your gum, allow it to dry. And once it's dried, you just stick them together to flatten it out. As you can see. So there you have it. So now, this is it. Like I said, you can decide to join 2, 3 straps in the same method. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to always get notified. Thank you.